Ooh, so it's picking up the dust. There you go.
This is a mattress vacuum that my son is currently using on our couch, and it picks up so much dust, so many dust mites. We found out last year my son was allergic to dust and dust mites, and this has been a total game changer. It goes red when it is detecting dust, and then it goes blue when it is finally cleaned that area. The amount of dust that you pick up is insane and also terrifying. We use this not only on our mattresses, but also on our ottomans and on all our couches. It just is so helpful for getting it clean. When you look at the amount of dust that it picked up, it really kind of freaks you out. That is just how much we got from 2 couches and 1 ottoman. This mattress vacuum sells out almost every single time. I've linked it below. You will not be sorry. Help keep your family healthy.